Let's talk about something that can be a little bit scary: bleeding after sex. Don't worry, it's more common than you might think. Doctors call it postcoital bleeding, which is just a fancy way of saying bleeding after sex. It's usually not a big deal, but it's good to know why it happens. One reason is something called cervical erosion. Basically, some cells from inside your cervix move to the outside. It sounds scary, but it's usually harmless. Another reason could be vaginal dryness. This can happen after having a baby, during menopause, or because of some medicines. When things are dry down there, it's easier to get small tears during sex, which can cause bleeding. Infections can also cause bleeding. Some infections you can get from sex, like chlamydia, can make things inflamed and bleed. It's really important to see a doctor if you think you might have an infection. Finally, sometimes small growths called polyps or fibroids can cause bleeding. These are usually not cancer, but they can be in your cervix or uterus. Remember, even though these are common reasons for bleeding after sex, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor if you're worried. Stay healthy, everyone!